Login failed on EveryDollar Plus Fix. You open your EveryDollar Plus app, ready to update your budget or track spending, but instead you see login failed. Don't worry, this happens to many users, and it's usually easy to fix once you know what's causing it. Start with your internet connection. EveryDollar Plus syncs live with your financial accounts, so unstable Wi-Fi or in-use can trigger login errors. Turn off your VPN and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, make sure your app is up to date. Outdated versions can't always connect properly after new security updates. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search EveryDollar, and tap Update. If that doesn't work, clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, EveryDollar Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app. This refreshes the app's data and removes any corrupted files. Now, double-check your login credentials. If you've recently changed your Ramsey account password, the old one might still be saved. Type it manually instead of using autofill. If it still fails, tap Forgot Password and reset your access. EveryDollar will send a reset link to your registered email. Here's something most people get wrong: if your connected bank changed its login process, EveryDollar might block logins temporarily. You can fix this by relinking your bank accounts once you're back in. If nothing works, it might just be temporary downtime. Wait 10-15 minutes and try again later. So, when your EveryDollar Plus app says login failed, don't panic. By checking your connection, updating the app, clearing the cache, and resetting your password if needed, you'll be back budgeting smarter and tracking every dollar effortlessly.